Oh yeah. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing a nice cold start on the Minty Trailblazer 2003. She's got 210 on the odometer. Interior is pretty mint, it's an LS. It's got an LS in it, that's what that stands for. Just kidding. It's got the inline 6 in her. I can't quite seem to find the keys here. I'll have to go find the keys. But yeah, she's pretty minty. We're doing a cold start today. Yeah. I hate the cold, but the cats don't seem to mind. We got the keys. I think it's about 10, 15, 20. I'll have to put a rain check on that up in there. Up in the thing, but yeah, don't worry, that's not cracks in the windshield. Change of plans. Just gotta kind of see if I can record it from inside here. Alright. This says, this is the, what is it? It's the inline 6 model. Whatever it is. As you can see, we got 209. Right, here we go, ready? Ooh. She's a little cold out today. She fired up though. Oh yeah. That's not a... You can tell it's cold out. Fingers are cold. Oh yeah. That's dense, man. That might be kind of oil. I don't think it is though. Oh. It's cold outside today. It's in 4 high. Yeah, my dad took it for a drive, so it hasn't. Yeah. I'll let her run for a bit. I'm gonna go chill. Go get some more shots. It's cleared up, that's for sure, but she was dumping. That's fine. It always does that. I'm gonna let her run for a bit, just because that battery. It's cold outside. My dad took it for a drive, I think, either yesterday or the day before. But when it gets cold outside, you know batteries, you know cars. Usually like to let these things run for a bit. Still running. There we go. That's all I need to do. My fingers are cold. Probably should put gloves on. Hello.